We build the towers high to touch the sky. With every brick we place, we reach for dreams. In streets that gleam with pride, we never shy. Our hearts and hands unite, a mighty team. From Brussels lights to coastal sandy shores, our land of unity stands tall and bright. Through trials we embrace, we conquer more. With every dawn we rise in morning light. Prime Constructo, this is our call. Together we rise, standing tall. We've got the power, Belgium's heart, building dreams from every heart. Through valleys deep and peaks above the mist, our spirit never fades, we move ahead. We craft a future no one can resist. With every stone and beam a life is led. In city squares and fields of verdant green, we weave the threads of strength to hold us strong. This anthem echoes proudly, it's our scene. The rhythm of our days, a ceaseless song. Prime Constructo, this is our call. Together we rise, standing tall. We've got the power, Belgium's heart, building dreams from every part.